Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down in order to find the battery. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here we've got the battery percentage option, so if you've got only the battery indicator just like I have, turning on this option will show the exact percentage of the usage of the battery inside the battery icon. So unfortunately it is the only option here, so you cannot set it, for example, next to the battery icon, just inside. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your BLACKVIEW Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.